What are you guys doing?
She's crazy.
Scarlett, what are you doing to her? That's a fun game. Scarlett, you're marching? Cosette! Cosette! Oh, now she's starting to get frustrated. This is fun, huh? You guys are great. Wave her arm again. Shake her hand like you did. She liked that.
Okay.
Shake her hand. Make her say hello with her hand. Say hello.
Hello. Say hello. Have fun. Good job. Good to see hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making so happy.
Say she's a winner.
You're the winner.
Woo!
You
You did it.
You get it. Too
Cosette, it's Scarlett being silly. All right, I'll give her some more food.
Yay! Good job!
Yay! We love to see you guys play together.
This is so hard to get Cosette down.
What do you think of that, Cosette? What do you think?
Put it higher. Put higher. Put higher.
Put it higher!
Yeah, there's a target that won't turn on. Ah!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.